Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is simply just a unboxing and my honest review of the Organics Nature. This is sponsored by Organics Nature, so thank you so much for sending me these two items to give a review for. The Ultimate Fat Burner is 100% vegan. It's clinically tested, proven weight loss formula. It's caffeine free and it supports weight loss, immunity, and energy. There are 60 vegan capsules inside of this bottle. It is 100% vegan and it definitely is stackable with other seamoss products. One thing I can say about this is that it is a really great product to try and have during the morning and the night when you're supposed to take the capsules. I also got the world's first collagen peptides Irish sea moss, vanilla caramel flavored. It is very supportful for your nails, digestion, skin, hair, and your joints. It makes about 30 servings. It has 0% sugar and it is grass fed. Not only can you put this in your drinks, you also can mix this into your baking, whether you want to combine it in any of your cookies, brownies, or cakes. If you put it in your drink, you're going to mix about 10 to 12 ounces of water and add it to your morning coffees, protein shakes, and smoothies. Alright, so I'm about to make these. This morning I will be using Organics Nature Collagen Peptides Irish sea moss. This is vanilla and caramel. It supports the nails, digestion, skin, hair, and joints. This can go good with 10 ounces or 12 ounces of water mixed into your morning coffee, protein shakes, and smoothies. So I'm going to add some of this to my smoothie this morning. So this video is sponsored by Organics Nature. Also, I will be taking my Ultimate Fat Burner pill. This is support for weight loss, immunity, and energy. It's 100% vegan and it's clinically tested, proven weight loss formula. So you just have to take 2 of these a day with 8 to 12 fluid ounces of water. So I will do just 1 capsule in the morning because that's what's recommended, and then I'll do 1 at night. I will be using strawberry, peaches, and mangoes fruit explosions. So it looks like I have pieces of mango and peaches. I'm using the Almond Breeze almond milk that's unsweetened with vanilla. There's already a scoop in here. Alright, so now I'm just sitting down eating breakfast. I have my smoothie with the collagen and the Irish sea moss. I did get me a cup of water with 1 ice. Hopefully it'll melt soon. I'm gonna go ahead and take that 1 fat burner pill with some water. No, I never let 'em claim me. Wild thing, try to take Once again, thank you so much to Organics Nature for sponsoring this video. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. If you have, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think, and also check out the links that are in my description box down below in order to get these for yourself and include it into your morning and night routines. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a good one.